Hi guys! Today we are opening Disney Frozen Olaf Snow Cone Maker. It makes yummy frozen treats in minutes. Simply add ice, turn the handle, and add flavors. This set comes with 2 flavors, strawberry and raspberry ice. Here's everything out of the box before assembly. It's very simple and easy to put Olaf together. Let's make some snow cones. Oh, but we need some ice. Let's call Kristoff. Kristoff! Kristoff!
Yes?
We need some ice, please.
No problem. Sven and I will get you some ice right away.
While we wait for them, let's make ready the flavoring. There are 2 flavors, strawberry and raspberry ice. Today we'll make the strawberry. We just have to put a teaspoon of the flavoring in the bottle, fill it with water, and shake the bottle.
Here is your ice.
Why don't you stay for some yummy treats?
Sure.
First we take off Olaf's head and add some ice. Then we turn the ice shaver handle and apply a little pressure on Olaf's head. And the crushed ice magically appears. And now let's add the strawberry flavoring. Would you like to try some, Kristoff?
I would love some. I think you better give Sven some first. That gives a whole new meaning to ice.
Thank you for watching our video and stay tuned for more Frozen coming soon on Adult Story.